Hey everyone, today's adventure today. We're over here in Lenore City over here. It's going to be a short little video, but the adventure today, well, as you can see my truck back here in the back, it's the GMC Black Widow Edition. We're out over here by Loudon Lake here, Lenore City. This is going to be a quick little short video. I'd bring you over here where the dam is over here. I'll give you a little close up to it here. And then on this side, we do have a boat ramp. They're either loading or unloading their boat right now, but we'll do a little walk around here and see what y'all think about this little roadside gym here in Tennessee. So let's get this video started here, shall ya? So it looks like he may be getting ready to unload the boat, maybe. And then we got a small little fishing boat over off the side the guy's getting off of here. We got some kayaks out here off the side. Pretty little fishing area. Great for boating and camping over here in this lake. You're over by the Tellico Village here, Tellico Lake area. Let's walk a little closer to the waterfalls here coming off the dam. Make sure there ain't no snakes laying around here on this grassy area. You know how these snakes love these waterways. Water looks pretty good coming off of that, awful pretty. We'll get a little closer to it here. Just notice one of these little flowers down here growing up between these rocks. I don't know what you call those little thorny things. Looks like a little cactus flower or something growing wild. Got a little closer to it here. Just wonder how many little fishes get mixed up in that when it comes through there. Little small ones. Sorry if my hands are shaking a little bit of the camera. I don't have myself able to stick with me. Just a small little stream coming out of the dam. Imagine what it looks like when they open all three of those gates up. It's like an overflow pipe, what they're pumping out right now. On the top, come down through there. But that'd be a good little fishing area right there. Put your boat up around all that. Rocky ledge over there. Yeah, this is a great little fishing hole area. Great little place just to come and sit and walk around. Look how massive that dam looks right here on this lake. And they've got it built up all through over here. I like the one they have over at Cherokee Lake over there too. They got a nice dam area. It's a nice place to walk over along the dam too. I don't think you can actually walk on this one up here. Well, if I hope you guys like some of these little roadside gyms we bring you here in Tennessee and throughout other parts of the U.S. here. If you guys like these kind of little gyms we find along the roadside, follow our channel here. It's Daily Life in the Smokies and Smoky Mountain Back Roads. And we're also going to rename the channel Daily Life in the Smokies as something else, but I'll let you guys know that at a later date, because we're actually going to start doing more roadside attractions and traveling across the USA and doing like daily vlogs of small towns, beach vacations, any other kind of vacation spots, weekend getaways you guys might like to do or something. But follow us along here, and we'll show you all the stuff we're going to start doing here on this channel. So it won't be just the Great Smoky Mountains, there's going to be other areas too. But yeah, this is water's good and calm right here. Beautiful little area to stop at, throw your fishing pole at, or throw your boat into. Looks like they're getting ready to stock some lake, put some more fish in here. Gonna unload some fishies. So yeah, here's the overpass. Comes over this little section. It's just a 2-lane road up there. Sure is a nice looking boat. Land cruiser, water cruiser craft. Yeah, it's a very nice inboard motor boat. Got a nice truck pulling it. There's the other nice looking truck. Come down here to the boat ramp down here, the little walkout dock. Check this out here. So we are going to put some fish in here. What'd you say they were? Striped bass? So it's going to be striped bass. Good time to come here then. Check this out. So we're hooking up the big hose now, and they kind of flush this thing like a toilet would do. We're getting the water adjusted to the fish in here. Here comes all the little fishies. Striped bass. They're really small. Like little minnows. I didn't realize they'd be that small though. It almost looks like food for catfish and things like that. Never know what you're going to walk up on sometimes. That's pretty neat. So, walking up here on this little boat dock, where you tie your boats up to here. Jet skis, little any kind of boat I guess you got. Pretty shady right here underneath this overpass. Feels good right here. But yeah, it's pretty neat. I've never seen that happen, the way they fill these lakes and stuff up. But yeah, it looks more like bait for other big fishes to eat. Yeah, this is pretty cool out here. Well, I got to bring you guys along for this little trip here on this one here on the lake and the dam before Loudon here. Let's walk down and see if this thing's a floating. Yeah, she's a moving. Rocky bye baby in the treetop. When the boat floats, so's your stomach will float. I know I don't make any sense, but who really cares? It's a beautiful day out here on the lake today. Look at this view. This is beautiful, guys. Surprised I ain't seen no more boats out here right now. But yeah, this is this little cul-de-sac off the dam, and it opens up to a huge lake on the other side of that tree line right there. Guess I should have brought my fishing pole and showed you all how to catch some fish, I reckon. Got some duckies out here. Staying in the shaded area. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video I just made. Like I said, like and subscribe, and we'll bring you more of these little back road adventures here throughout the United States and Tennessee and different areas that we travel now. But until the next time, guys, God bless you. We'll see you next time.